She grew over 100,000 followers in 1 month, and I'm going to tell you exactly how we did it. Hi, I'm Sophia and I help powerful women build profitable personal brands. And this is my client, Darnell Cox. Absolutely love her. She is a driven woman, and she took action on my strategy. And within 6 months of working me, grew a thriving business. And in a 30-day window, grew 100,000 followers on the gram. That's not easy to do. With the right strategy and action, shift happens. I filmed this video the night she grew this fast. Let me show it to you. You want 4.7 million views in a month. There's a few things that you've got to do. My client, Darnell Cox, recently grew her Instagram by 4,800%. Let's talk about the 4 steps I took with Darnell to get her here. First, I had her creating content that gives people a solution to a problem they actually need to solve. She was creating beautiful content before, but it wasn't solving a problem, and it was speaking to a problem that people weren't even aware they needed to solve. People are not always aware of the problem. They might just be aware of the symptoms. They might know they're coughing, but they don't know it's the flu. You feel me? Speak to the cough. They know they're coughing. Step 2, we were super consistent in posting on a schedule and her going live at least once a week. And we were utilizing SEO on all platforms, meaning that her captions were search engine optimized. Her headlines, search engine optimized. There were keywords in each video optimized. The copy under her posts, optimized. Asking Googleable questions, solving real problems that people need answers to. Step 3, we had a blended content strategy of longer short form content that was face to cam, her actually answering Googleable questions, and then short trending reels with a powerful hook. Now, when I say Googleable questions, it doesn't mean that you can always find the answer super easy on Google, but people might be Googling how to do something and it might be really complicated, and she can take her expertise and tell people how to do it in a concise way that makes sense. And of course, we mix this content strategy with short trending sound reels with a powerful hook and a powerful visual. Step 4, I made sure this woman had the business systems in place to capture her audience, because one day, if you're taking the right steps with the right strategy, you will inevitably go viral. And you don't want that to be a day where you don't have systems in place to capitalize on it. It is really sad when people go viral and they literally didn't take the steps to have systems to capture data that you can use later to retarget their audience. This looks like email marketing, automations on the back end to be able to communicate more efficiently with her following. And when people ask me, what was the biggest change for her? How did she do it? We gave away the best freebie known to man, gave away the family farm for free, and created an irresistible offer. When you're ready to do the same, shoot me a message on Instagram. I want to help you build a massive business in less than 6 months.